fried chicken and fries. There's the fries. Here's the chicken. Maybe it's chickening out. Get out here, chicken. It's not getting with the program. So I am in Niles, Illinois, a Chicago suburb. Okay, that's not bad looking. Oh, I guess you want to see too, huh? Got pickles, and this is the smoky chicken, so it's a smoky chicken sauce. I apologize if the sound's not great. I got this really cool, well, I got grease. Microphone, lavalier, microphone, something or other, and it's not with the program, so forgive me. So, as I was saying before I rudely interrupted myself, fried chicken and fries, Niles. It's across from the Walmart here in the neighborhood. It's only $10.99 for the sandwich, but if you add fries and a drink, which is just a bottle of water in my case, it's almost $17. That's expensive for look at that. And they're not even great fries, they're just frozen. So this place has a good reviews. She didn't even give me napkins. So paid with my card and it flipped and flashed the tip thing for a second, and before I had a chance to even think about it, it disappeared and paid the total due. So she didn't get an electronic tip. And what did she do? She took her little tip jar and slid it in front of me and went. And I stared at her like she had lost her cotton picking mind. One, how rude. And two, I didn't have cash on me, or I would have paid cash for this. This is a nice toasted brioche bun, by the way. You're sitting there running a cash register, and you expect a tip, demanding a tip, not just expecting, demanding. My hair all messed up, sorry. Got a lot of fried something. Lost a pickle. Lettuce, pickles, special orders, donut 7. Oh. It's a lot of breading. A lot of breading. Oh, there's chicken. So just like the last chicken place I was in, this one's got a little bit of curry, but not enough to distract. It's in the sauce, I believe. or the seasoning, the breading. I think that's the smoky sauce. Kind of similar. That was Hangry Joe's, I believe. A similar concept, but theirs was a 5-star all day, and this is maybe a 3.5. Maybe a 4. Mm. 3.5 because it's more breading than chicken. I hope I'm not wearing the chicken. Didn't taste like lettuce. I think it was they even chopped up the inner core of the lettuce. The fries are just 3. They actually got cold while I was trying to get my microphones to work. I don't know if that's making a difference or not, but it's hot in here, 92. So I'm not keeping the air turned down for too long. The chicken is, what there is of it is good, but there's an awful lot of breading, and more breading than chicken. So 3.5. Deduct a point for being asked or demanded a tip. I'm not impressed. We're next to the Patel Brothers Grocery, which is one of the many I have not yet been into in the Chicagoland suburb area, because there's a lot of groceries. And let's see, Patel Brothers, a beauty salon, Kahumbo, fruit shots, mocktails, and ice cream. Eggaholic, which is Indian street food, which sounds interesting. Crumble cookies. This neighborhood caters to the Indian crowd, which is cool. That's why the last 2 Indian places I went to had incredible chicken. Also, the Korean places have had some incredible chicken around here. It's actually one of the things I do appreciate, about Chicago is the international flavors. Yeah, this is kind of on par with Chick-fil-A or Churches or any of the other chains. Chick-fil-A used to be the bomb to me. But first they were topped by, close to an accident. Fry the Coop. If you get a chance to hit Fry the Coop, they are 5-star. They are better than Chick-fil-A. And the last one, the Hangry Joe's, right up there with Fry the Coop. So anyway, I'm rambling too much. Let me finish this up. Try not to wear it. Gonna pat a little bit more about being hinted to give a tip for ringing a cash register. Honestly, I may have gone ahead and, well, didn't have the cash, but that's a good way to not get a tip, is demanding one. Anyway, oh, that's a dry piece of chicken. That's stringy. I don't know what that is. I don't want it. Sorry, excuse me for being whatever. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go. Bye!